Hey guys, it's me, Greg, with LeGrand and Company Drain Cleaning Pressure Washing, Gainesville, Florida. And today we're going to show you some more high-tech equipment that we're going to do an unboxing for. So we got 2 boxes to go through. Stay with me. I'll be right back after a note from our sponsor. And don't forget, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and buy anything you want if you want to help us from my Amazon link below. It costs you nothing more, and it helps you get videos like this. Well, like the box we got the other day, this one's all beat up down there. I hope nothing's broken. You know, it's always nice to invest in your company and provide your customers with a little bit more, service than you had before. Things that make your company safe, things that make your company a little more advanced in the competition. So let's get into it. Hey, I've got the box open, and the first thing to give you a clue is this. Have you guessed what's in the box? Let's go take a look. Ooh, I always make that camera go the wrong way, but look at there. Beautiful hose reel. And this will go to the other equipment. What is it, Greg? Tell us. What you're looking at here is a general pump hose reel with 150 foot of 3/8 hose on there. And this is going to connect to this piece of equipment over here. So you should have figured out what it is now. It's from the people at Pure Water Power. I don't know if you can see that. But let's go to the other box. What is it? What could it possibly be? Yay! Oh, it's new pure water system for the water fed poles. Look at there. We'll get it out of the box and I'll show you all about it. I'll tell you a little bit more about this hose reel. We'll do a whole in-depth video of that later. Hey, before I get into any of the features or what came in the box, let me just say that the reason you invest in your company in something like this is it's good for you. Uses water-fed poles. You can clean exterior windows, from the ground, not damaging your customers' siding with ladders or anything like that. You can clean solar panels. You don't have to get up on the roof and walk and bust tiles on the roof because you can reach it with the poles. You're using pure water for a spotless finish on them. It really cleans nice. It's not going to leave spots, and the best thing is it doesn't use any chemicals, which makes your customers happy. So let's move on to some of the features on this bad boy. We've got our system out of the box, and I'm going to go through it real briefly with you. I'll do another video on it later, and I'll have a link in the description as always to this. But this is the DI-RO system, the cart from Pure Water at CWC, cleaning window cleaner, something like that. I'll have a link to them. Anyways, this is similar to a Tucker cart. It's got the RO membrane, the flush valve. It's got the 20-inch. They make one with a 10-inch DI filter. It's got the sediment filter. It has the carbon filter. This is a little leader hose. So it would come from the hose spigot here. Well, somebody done got himself in a hurry, because this is the back flush hose, not the one you tie to your water supply. So get it straight. You would go through the sediment, the carbon, through the RO after you back flush it up there, and then down through the DI, and then come out the other side over here. And you would then have down there, you'd have pure water going to your water fed poles. It has an instruction manual, has the different wrenches for all the filters, so the big DI filter and these 2 filters. These filters you can buy anywhere at Home Depot or whatever. And then the filter down there that has the DI resin in it, that unscrews. There's a canister in there. You dump out the DI resin and refill it up. The reason you have the RO filter is to keep most of the solids from that. That's just for finishing, so your DI lasts a lot longer. And there should be a test meter in there for solids. Yep, there that is. So that's the system. It's a couple $100 cheaper than the Tucker system, which is nice. And it Looks like it's going to do a good job, so I'm going to hook it up and play with it. And we'll do another in-depth video. So guys, if you liked our videos, use my Amazon link, buy whatever you want to buy to support our channel, to see more videos like this. Hit that thumbs up, make a comment if you have questions, and by all means share it on your favorite social media. Until the next video, I'll see you later. Thanks guys.